In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your Hostinger account. This is a simple adjustment, but it can greatly improve your experience, especially if you prefer to manage your hosting tools in a language you're more comfortable with. I'll walk you through every step so you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. You can type hostinger.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the login button. This will take you to the login page where you need to enter your account email and password. After logging in successfully, you will be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, also called the H panel. The dashboard is where you manage all your hosting services, domains, and account settings. To change the language, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen. You should see your profile icon, which is usually displayed as a small avatar or an initial click on this icon to open a small menu. Inside this menu, you will see an option that shows the current language in use, such as English or any other language. Click this option to open the full list of languages available. Hostinger supports multiple languages, making it easier for users around the world to navigate the platform. Now select the language you prefer. Simply click on the one you want and the system will automatically apply the change. Your dashboard, settings, and menus should instantly update to the new language without needing to refresh the page. This makes it much easier to understand each tool, especially if managing hosting services is new for you. Choosing a language that feels natural can help reduce confusion and improve your workflow within the platform. It allows you to move through features more smoothly and understand instructions or notifications clearly. This is especially helpful if you're learning web management for the first time or if you're supporting clients who speak different languages. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on your Hostinger account with just a few simple steps. This small change can make your hosting tasks more enjoyable and much easier to manage. If you ever want to switch back or choose another language later, you can follow the same steps anytime. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide made the process simple and clear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to check out more of my videos for additional Hostinger tips and helpful walkthroughs. Have a great day and happy hosting.